Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we will discuss about triggers in FunctionApp. I would encourage you to please watch my previous video related to FunctionApp. So let's start. So what is trigger? As the name suggests, it used to invoke functions. A trigger defines how a function is invoked. Every function is having one trigger only. We can't create multiple triggers for a single function. Trigger also pass data to our function to initiate the things. Below is the list of triggers which Azure provides for functions. In this list, first is HTTP trigger, which allows function to trigger by an HTTP request. Next is queue trigger, which helps function to invoke when any message added to Azure queue. Third is timer trigger, which schedules function to invoke at specific time or after every specific time period. Service bus trigger is same as a queue trigger. Here only difference is that it fires function when any message is added in service bus queue. Blob triggers helps function to invoke when any blob is added in Azure Blob Storage. Event hub trigger triggers function when any event delivered to Azure Event Hub. This is basically used to automate the event-based system. Event grid trigger responds when event sent to event grid. Next type is GitHub webhook trigger. It gets fired in case any of the Git operation performed like creation of the branch, deletion of the branch, and committing any changes to Git repository. Cosmos DB is another type of trigger which helps to invoke when document changes in document collection. Next slide depicts con expression used for timer triggers. In previous slide, we learned about timer triggers which helps function to schedule for specific time period. Here con expression is used to invoke function for specific time period. There are total 6 fields in con expression to customize the time. First field is for seconds, second field is for minute, third is for hours, fourth for day, fifth for month, and last one is for day of the week. Below are the few examples for con expressions. If developer wants to execute function in every minute, then he needs to set second to 0 and keep minute field as it is. If developer wants to invoke in every 5 minutes, then he has to specify */5 in the minute field. Similarly, user can customize his con expression as per the requirement. I would recommend here to pause the video once and go through all example of con expressions. With this, we end our video here. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Bye.